to fix Instagram countdown sticker not showing. So to fix the Instagram countdown sticker missing, first try updating the app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Instagram app, and if you see an update option available right here, tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next thing what you can do is clear your app cache and data on your Android device and upload the app on your iOS device. Now on your iOS device, what you have to do is go to your settings. Now go to the general and then tap on iPhone storage. Now find Instagram from the list, then tap on it. Now tap upload app. Once you tap upload app, you will see the reinstall app button right here. Tap the reinstall app button to reinstall the Instagram app to your device, or you can just simply go to your Apple App Store and then download the Instagram app from there. Now the next thing what you can do is log out and back in. Just open your Instagram app, then tap on your profile at the bottom right, then tap on menu in the top right corner. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom, then tap log out. Now tap log out one more time to confirm it. Now once you're logged out, close the app completely, then reopen it and log back in to refresh your account data. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.